are hiking the Rehoboth State Forest. Well, hello, Zach. Here we are, the Rehoboth State Forest.
Yep.
I want to go hiking, right?
Uh-huh.
Let me check out your backpack. Turn around. You're all ready to go. We have to get these trekking poles out, though. Check out your trekking poles, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we'll get those going, and we'll get hiking, okay?
Yeah.
And here we go. We're starting the trail, right, Zach? All right, nice trekking poles. And this is the map.
We have to go around it.
Over here. There's no maps available, but they're all online. And it is a healthy trail. Okay, bud, let's get us going.
How about we go around it?
Yes, you do have to go around it. Okay, all right, that's the trail. Keep going. All right, use the poles to help you, okay?
Yeah, they're all mixed up too.
That's right. Now, as you see, it's very, very wooded over here. Zach's following along just fine. You're getting better at this hiking thing, huh? Yeah, keep going. Lead us. Got some fallen trees. Got branched out. Okay, keep trailing, bud. Doing a good job. So what do you think so far? Think it's pretty nice? Yeah? Okay. A lot of woods. Very nice though to keep the heat off of us, huh? Yeah. Okay, we're about to take our turn onto Pine Loop.
Yeah, I got a question for you.
What's that? What's your question?
Why doesn't they call Pine Loop?
I have no clue. Maybe because it has pine trees?
Let's go see if they have
Alright,
pine
let's go see.
trees.
Well, that's what they call it. They call it Pine Loop. And we're going to take the healthy trail, the heart there. It should just go in a loop, so we're going to go that way. Alright? Okay. Alright, Pine Loop, here we come. Having fun? Okay. Good.
I know I like to go Pine Loop because there's a pond bush.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's lots of pond bushes, so that's why we call it Pine Loop.
I see. Okay, watch out for rocks. They're all over the place. You could fall on them real easy if you're not looking, right? Okay. Watch out for rocks. Ooh, it's like a rock. See that?
What?
There's like a bunch of rocks there, like it was a wall.
No,
What's the matter?
it's kind of nice and quiet here.
It is, it's very nice. Very peaceful. Wow. This trail really goes into the woods. Let me tell you.
This is what spot.
Looks like they marked the trees to let you know you're on the trail still, too. Yeah, to let you know. Be really careful. There's a lot of stuff on the ground here. There's a lot of tree trunks and roots and stuff. Okay?
Okay. Downhill.
Yep.
But if you got the trekking poles, help.
Yeah, it is nice to have trekking poles. Alright, so some cues again. We have a blue paint mark there that we're on the trail. If you notice though, sometimes you don't know where to go, but obviously we're not going to go that way. We're going to go this way. So you have to go over this tree, bud, okay? Okay. Got some nice ferns. Oh, wow. We're singing now? Uh-huh. Okay. All right. Go to the left. That way. Yep. That's right. Keep going straight. Yep. Go on top of the rock. Over that branch. There you go. It's a little hard to see the trail sometimes, huh? Load up with my trekking poles. Okay. Going through the jungle, Zachary. On his latest adventure. Okay. Good job. All right, we're gonna find our way out of here, right? Okay, let's follow me, bud. Gotta go uphill here a little bit. Stay right behind me. There's a little poison ivy there, that's why. See those 3 leaves? Okay. So make sure to stay on the trail, because there is a little bit of poison ivy on the sides. What?
I said it's really hot today.
It's hot?
Yeah.
Yeah, but these trees are helping us. It's shady with the trees. Well, this is actually shorter than the Taunton one. You're doing good. Keep it up. It's good to get out and get some exercise, right? Okay. You good?
Yeah, branch.
Now the branch. Okay.
Branch. See a blue dot.
Where? Where's the blue dot?
That way. It's a heart.
Where?
Over there.
I don't see it.
Come see.
All right, show us.
Right, come down.
Oh, there it is. Yeah. That means we're on the right path. And that heart tells us to go which way? Follow that arrow.
That way.
Okay, they gotta go that way. Okay. Almost tripped on a rock there.
There is blue dot.
Yeah. Good job. Keep following those blue dots.
Blue dot.
There's like 2 of them up ahead.
2 of them up ahead.
That's right.
Don't set the parking block.
1, maybe, I don't know. I didn't really check the map, so.
Fine, let's just do your GPS.
Well, no, we're gonna keep hiking until we see it. We gotta be almost there though, I think. This little pocket, it's nice and convenient. Get out your cereal bar.
No, it's not cereal bar, mister.
Whatever it is.
Strawberry. How am I going to hang it on? Because I got my chicken food.
So you're gonna eat it in one hand. You use one truck and pull on the other, I guess. There you go. Have fun. Good job. See that blue mark up there? Look where you're going at the same time, though, okay? More important to look down where you're going, okay? Yeah.
I'm getting sweaty.
It's okay to get sweaty. That means you're working hard. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to put that in your backpack so we don't litter, right? Okay. All right, keep going. How's the water? Okay, you want to lead the way? Okay. Let's watch where you're going. Don't trip on rocks. See that sign? So I think we're right near the car because you see that sign? This was the start of the trail. See that? So we can chalk this one up to, we have now hiked Pine Loop because we just did the whole loop, bud. How do you feel? Feel good? You want to give a couple words? I love you too. Do you feel better that we did it? All right, let's go back to the car. That's it. That's the trail. This goes back to the parking lot. I wish we could. We did it. We conquered another one. Conquered another trail.
There's the car.
Yeah, that's the car. All right. Okay. You have fun?
Yep.
Okay. Not bad. Very, very, very woody though, right?
Yep.
Lots of trees and stuff.
Yeah.
All right.
To the
Gotta
car.
keep that camera straight.
I'm keeping it.
People dizzy at home.
What?
All right.
What'd
So,
you say?
from Rehoboth State Forest, Zach and Iris, signing out.